All right, we are going to do some hip and inner thigh mobility for birth prep. Let's start with sitting on the block. You're gonna sit on the block, whatever height feels good for you. You're gonna come pretty wide, so if you're on a yoga mat, wider than the yoga mat. I'm gonna place your hands on the inside. You're just gonna kind of work side to side here. Really use your elbow to push your hip further than it naturally wants to go. Then from this position, you're gonna drop one hip in at a time. I'm gonna do about 15 of these per side. So really working that rotation of the hip here. From here, you're gonna shift forward, back, one leg straight, one leg bent, reaching forward here, and coming up. Then you're gonna go on to hands and knees. You're going to keep your arms elevated on the block. You're going to drop down into child's pose, so feet together, hips nice and wide. Use the blocks to keep your forearms and elbows elevated. You're gonna go side to side here. Then you're gonna cross one arm over the other. Take 10 deep breaths into the rib cage. And then same thing. Switch sides, 10 deep breaths to the rib cage that's opened. Then you can come back into this position, resting comfortably here. As you inhale, drop baby down towards the mat. Think of the pelvic floor opening up and releasing. Exhale, come back to rest. Inhale, baby drops down towards the mat. Pelvic floor releases and opens. And you can practice that for as long as it feels good. So a minute or 2 minutes is good. Next position, you're going to come into a hip flexor type of stretch position. Okay, you're gonna reach forward and back, forward and back. You can always use the big pregnancy ball to do this too. So you can grab the ball for a little increased stability here. Then you're gonna put your leg out onto a 45-degree angle. Same thing, drop forward so hips are still coming forward. We're not going out to the side, staying forward here. And then try and get your leg as close to 90 degrees out to the side as you can. You're gonna roll here.